new to here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick ZARA tops try on haul. I filmed this with the help of my friend Tasheni. Thanks, Tasheni. And there are 5 tops, and you'll see me try them on. And it was really fun to film this. I might do more try on hauls. If you like this one, comment below and let me know if you want to see me try on other brands on the high street here in Bilbao. Anyway, so have I spoken about the budget of this haul? It was under 100 euros, 5 tops in total. And yeah, so you can see me. Before we get into that video, I just want to make a quick shout out to a few small YouTubers. Their channels are going to come up shortly, but I will leave a link in the description box and you can find them for yourself if you want to check out their content. Alright, try on haul time. Enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know which one of the 5 tops that I try is your favorite. You won't see me again because I'm closing this with the video try on haul. Bye. Thanks for watching.